all is fair in politics, and it's equal opportunity. INEC you mentioned are neutral. They've never intimidated anybody. If political opponents are crying wolves, maybe they are afraid of their own shadows and the uncertainty in the companies they keep. Not me. I'm ready to, but I won't give them red carpet. I won't offer them the leash to tie me and rope me. No. We wrestle each other to the finishing point.
And make sure all cut across Osun State, development is on. I love you, Osun State. I love you. I love
you. Congratulations once again. What are you going to extending the olive branch to your co-congress?
Yes, this is no victor, no vanquish. I want them to come over. I'm expecting Oyebanji to even, as a civilized person, to call me and congratulate me. And of course, I want to seize the opportunity to thank Mr. President. Mr. President has called me and he has congratulated me. And thank you, Mr. President, for making sure democracy lives on, because you fought for it.
Mr. Governor, did you ever express the fear at any time that this victory may not come?
Answer to that. I have a God
who never fails. I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. Who never fails. Jesus never fails. Forevermore.
Hello. Thank you very much.